You can use ChatGPT to reorganize and reclassify data. So let's jump in. First, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to just give me a list of 20 important dates that changed the world. So you might have a set of data already that you are looking to work with, but for me, I had ChatGPT create some data for us to show you for this example. So here is a list of 20 significant historical events that changed the course of the world. Now we can ask it to organize the data alphabetically. And you can see we are reorganizing these alphabetically. Now let's ask ChatGPT to organize this data chronologically. We can see that ChatGPT is organizing this in chronological order. Next, we can ask ChatGPT to organize this in tabular format. Great. Now let's add ChatGPT to add a column for geographical location. So you can keep adding columns or organize the data however makes most sense to you and your use case. But the best thing is in the tabular format, you can copy this and it will retain its format. And now we can paste this into Notes and boom, you can see it retained its format. This is to show that you can use ChatGPT to reorganize any set of information in any way that you can imagine.